With the court rejecting a petition challenging President Yoon's detention, investigators can and will continue to try to question him, while also filing a warrant on Friday to officially arrest him. Let's connect with our Kim Bo-kyoung at the investigators' office over in Gwacheon City. Bo-kyoung.
Hello, Dami.
So, Bo-kyoung, let's start with the court's dismissal of the petition. Fill us in.
All right, Dami, as you have already said, the Seoul Central District Court dismissed impeached President Yoon's request to challenge his detention after hours of deliberation on Thursday. You see, President Yoon was taken into custody on Wednesday and detained by the CIO for questioning over his December 3rd martial law declaration and has been refusing to speak or attend interrogations. Yoon's legal team tried to turn things around by filing a petition to the Seoul Central District Court seeking a review of the legality of his detention. They argued the detention warrant against him issued by the Seoul Western District Court was invalid and that the CIO lacked jurisdiction over insurrection. The court convened a hearing at 5 p.m. to review Yoon's request, but as it rejected claims from Yoon's side, the president remains in custody as the investigation continues. Yoon's legal team expressed regret over the court's decision, saying it is unfortunate how illegal and unlawful actions are tolerated while the rule of law is being undermined. Yoon's side added they will not comply with the CIO's investigation, saying they cannot accept illegal procedures.
Well, Bo-kyoung, the next step for now for the investigators is seeking a formal arrest warrant for President Yoon Suk-yeol. We should expect that to happen today as well, right?
Yes, Tommy. The CIO originally had to decide whether to seek arrest warrant by 10:33 a.m. today, but the 48-hour deadline has been extended to 9 p.m. tonight as the court review was in progress. Since around 2 p.m. on Thursday, when investigators submitted documents, including evidence to the court, the detention period remained on hold until the court returned the documents to the CIO investigators early this morning at 12:35 a.m. Now, with the court's decision, the CIO is expected to seek a formal arrest warrant late Friday night to keep him in detention for a longer period. If the formal arrest warrant is issued, Yoon can be held for a total of 20 days, including the initial 48-hour detention period. The CIO will likely hold and question Yoon for 8 more days before transferring the case to the prosecution, which has the authority to indict a suspect. Both parties have already agreed to spend 10 days each questioning Yoon.
So it looks like it's going to be another long day today. Bo-kyoung, before I let you go, I'm sure pro-Yoon protesters remain distressed and upset. I can hear that in the background.
That's right, Tommy. They absolutely were, and they are right now. After the court rejected Yoon's request, supporters gathered in front of the Seoul Central District Court expressed their anger and reportedly moved to Seoul Detention Center to show their support for President Yoon. The police unofficially estimated that around 300 people were gathered in front of the court last night. A conservative group rally with an estimated 3,000 participants is scheduled to take place in front of Seoul Detention Center at 1 p.m. today. Now, that is all I have for now, but I will bring you more updates in our later newscast. Back to you, Dami.
Alrighty, Bo-kyoung, thank you for that coverage. That was our Kim Bo-kyoung reporting live from the investigator's office.